Right, fantastic morning. Marathon said, "Yeah, good evening, Sir Metaudo or Badwam so." And some toss on a pain, so there's a fantastic out in your day, Brewater. Bet power, the Essia Concona, your day, bar. Now, Sergio Manucho and Bernard Paddy Butchie. And I come home, me de bro. And I bring me catch you. Say, Kejo be fake. Kejo na kasani Erica said, "Well, the best say the Olympic Games and day 6 of the Olympics and a man for G gold ni be the show. We be so it be pa." USA for no need to Simon Biles, another gold. Ababa we the banners gymnastics na see hwiri emba by name and gene ho a we ya the chung bia wasanji gold dey see the matrix one of course ko pie mu a hockey dem South Africa ejina nine so America senke be finance Spain South Africa bono ba kwa want to me ante world in there hockey no yen hye bebre aha bono ba ko promo prayer anche bia nka woni ade a na kesa no sane nsam no so isi ate no man hockey no volleyball France and Nigeria we mu a na nya sam keto akra enko sane those matches no sequence and on area kokoso awo ho ani ade a na ye hwe the men's quarter final. Yes, me man a ball no ebe baso Morocco na omone Egypt and eti yenimo pani ade omone USA nye bad games Japan and Spain and the pm so and of course Egypt and Paraguay na France ni Argentina and the abweni and of course on any platform when these two countries share and no the party France versus Argentina now and ne anopaya yenuaba Rose yes Rosia Boa ejina kono enya sam keto akra ye high jump Paya 8:15 moto mu yana ehhye so Rose already na okeka was in the first Olympic Games or cast up person tene ho ani mo person tene ho ani mo person tene ho ani and debut and kwambia so no wo A2 no and what target so bet me at the final of the female high jump
above 197 like 197 and above, and I know for sure that I'm gonna make it because looking at my performance I put up during the NCAA, I feel like I'll do much better since there is going to be like a competitive among ourselves, and we already know each other. So I mean, it's really good. Ghanaians, like I'll say, everyone should expect me qualifying to the finals, and I mean, see myself get a medal.
Well, let's see. Say obetimi make key to the final. Na kwambia so no bibia to me akoye hormona. No atanchan a ochina Saturday 9:45 100 meters. You share how it goes. And also Benjamin Azamati and Abdul Rashid, you have heard also the NBC Ako, and apart from you need that 4x100 next so and so bet me Ako at your mind. For Saturday, and for Tuesday, I have 4x100 semi-final. I receive my qualify for the final. 4x100, you shall see the feed the semi-final. It's Shannon Sosa. If I and so and now you feel in copy more once and full from the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Agban Sumana, Kingsford Backben, they are football players, coaches. And sportsmen and women, some more money now, discipline, and a Badwam mama can be so no matimi akonkan. Without discipline, success bad day. The omo ya kan Messi, ya kan Ronaldo, omo jom din na no, nya so omo torana ma dakeke, yedi niema rough. Debi, and so discipline what's back at the highest level.
The team is not just the playing body. It includes the management and the technical staff, including the public relations, the welfare, and all involved. Because a spirit needs to be created. That spirit is what the playing body. It includes the management and the technical staff, including the public relations, the welfare, and all involved. Because a spirit needs to be created. That spirit is what permits to the team to form discipline. You cannot rise in football without discipline. No. Many of you try to learn from the bad side of the players. Because of the competition sometimes in the field, you are compelled to do something. When you are playing, don't play as an individual star. That is one of the drawbacks of black players. Greed. No, it's not for you, it's for the team. Yes, when you score the goal, you get some glory. But what about when the team loses?
All right, Speaker of Parliament, Nisamori Yetu Ijano, na infoni ko pimo Songo Steak, and the man Patrick Kosa, German countryman Songo, Ambush Villa, together with Ambush, and then I come home now when the Songo Steak are brand nano pay. Mr. Patrick Kosa, German, akwa ba de ba I can see so nano pay. Hello, Songo. Well, you can so share.
Go to me,
yeah, me talk as I say.
What I know, Ghana problem, to talk at the problems.
Yeah,
we pray for the best. You know, say yes. Eric, what you bandana from Uteme.
me talk.
What you say, bandana Montana. You don't know Chatawale in the Ghana, the Africa superstar.
That's it.
Who miss me? Chatawale, more fire. Fire.
Was definitely
Fantastic. I don't me take no me a quick one. Olympic Games here costing. They say Eric the party and down. And that's the need that
well, 4x100 near your strongest and that's what but the net your person high jump a Rose a debut Olympic Games, but the year all African Games in my hope kakasa or prospects. You need Nameda be also Hosan say any debut, but 4x100 for the experience kakra or I hope he's on make it to the final first. Then we look out for
also when need that medal. What could you hold your medals in our
oh send it.
Ghana, say, would you done your only compete on any party?
Nay, Nipan here, now.
And I'm a canon, would you also be there? But they can't say, Banamapa. Will be. You need the emotion you grow. Emotion we Eric. Olympics, boxing, those days. Anya, you need to be captured everywhere. Sports in Ghana. They say me back and a football Olympics say yaje bronze medal or football medal. Which is under 23. 20 years now you didn't qualify. Obi Abba as FA president and we penny say you better no so abasa and what now to be 20 years, 50 years. And so now Olympic Games under 23. Now 20 years now Ghana didn't qualify for ball. Now to watch more football, more football, I say. Because Olympic Games, you know, yet in Barcelona 92, yet the bronze medal, football. 20 years now, yet me MPM war, Nempoka, quarter finals. Yeah, football, they say. Yeah, sports, and they say, boxing, boxing. Massa, Momu Shana, you see.
Hello, Songo. Hello, fireman. Wow. Thought I'm feeding it to me born and new. I want the network now. I want I say bit me as I reconnected to Songo. Now this Songo stick at their brain. But near my coso games our Olympic Games, you sit together with other friendly games. How do I cost you now? No. Over to me, so sick D or bet power. And this is a home for you, my betpower.com.gh. Or download the Google phone. So no matter where you are, every corner, every lungu, you are sure say with me at this cardia go bottom and I avenues be bring oh bet power I catch you with me the first word this go bottom team kan ho hye na ye hwe wo so na bibia ntimi nkoyenti no no sare nsam no so esiete and I dey ebre war and other matches how do okoso clubs na catch friendly games I hwe ni mo say one sam so bekwa ko wie senti de be pm bia na de be bra koroko so signings and they say they akwa ko p 11 na as of so any place ni bi kasa ne omo sham preseason I say now my also so mo na ya hwe say one a friendly match and funny say a cup game against Heart of Lions no and so ebe baso and agama check up and on ya hwe say against Heart of Lions betumi abaso na ya hwe the House of Folk for ho sisi ni so go so e kono ebe kwa ko wi na no amo secretariat o ma pa ho to ma shrete a chese contractor no e the key no am House of Folk for so we say some pound to ma no mo year 1 or 2 touches bi na chese chassis operate out of next season the ban infrastructure the House of Folk obojuma akade is aka results on the pitch. Some of them so can one square na bibia so etimi ekoye so na you are connected to Songo but let me say network no e hard drink kakra mfa e be gina so na ye de asi on say Songo start what see kwan mu a na nka ye kɔ fa Olympic Games na ho a ye twese ne Rose be na face wo china so no mazamati ne nua na mo so de mo ho agim na bibia so atimi akɔ eye nyina so na ye mfa nsi enne live Adom TV so e Badwam so Sergio Manocho Bernard Paddy Botwe me producers kejo bia e fake kejo na kasa ne yare kasa edu bori koso ha Badwam ye de apomode won sam na eto aso